We're standing at the dawn of an industrial revolution in cell therapy manufacturing. And just like every industrial revolution before it, the skill sets that got you here won't get you there. My name is Ken Galbraith, and I've been automating cell therapy processes for the past decade or more. I've watched this industry evolve from lab-scale curiosities to life-saving therapies. But here's what I've learned. We are most certainly at a crossroads right now. The artisanal approach in early development, the bespoke processes, temperamental therapies that work in only the best conditions, the we'll figure it out as we go mentality is just not going to cut it in this increasingly competitive environment. Think about it. Every industrial revolution has been defined by the same transition, from handcrafted to automated, from custom to standardized, from individual expertise to systematic knowledge. Right now, brilliant companies are hitting manufacturing walls because they're trying to scale 21st century therapies with 20th century thinking. They're reinventing automation solutions that should be standardized. They're making the same expensive mistakes over and over because there's no shared industrial knowledge base. But here's the opportunity. You don't have to cross this chasm alone. We can leverage decades of manufacturing excellence and automation expertise to build the infrastructure this industry needs. That's exactly what cell therapy manufacturing excellence is all about. We're not just consultants. We're the bridge between where cell therapy manufacturing is today and where it needs to be tomorrow. This industrial revolution isn't just about better manufacturing. It's not about a cheaper widget. It's about making personalized medicine accessible to everyone. It's about getting robust, life-saving therapies to patients faster, at a scale we've collectively dreamt about. The companies that will lead this industrial revolution aren't the ones clinging to artisanal methods. They're the ones brave enough to embrace industrial transformation. Are you ready to cross this chasm together? Celltherapy.me, the engineering department for an entire industry.